Today, I'll walk you through how to rename a view in Airtable, step by step. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your browser and head over to Airtable. Once the page loads, click the Login button and sign into your account. After you're in, open the base that contains the view you want to rename. You'll then need to select the specific table within that base where the view lives. This is important because each table can have multiple views, and you want to make sure you're editing the right one now. Look over to the left sidebar. Here you'll see a list of all the views associated with that table. Locate the view you want to rename. Right next to the view name, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots. That's the More Options menu. Click on it and a drop-down will appear. From that menu, select Rename View. A text box will open up around the current view name, allowing you to type in a new one. When choosing a new name, go for something that clearly describes the purpose of the view. For example, you might use names like Active Projects, Upcoming Tasks, or Sales Pipeline. This makes it easy for you and anyone else using the base to understand what each view is for at a glance. It's also a good idea to keep your naming conventions consistent across your entire base, so everything stays organized and intuitive. Once you've entered the new name, simply press Enter on your keyboard or click outside the text box to save the change. Airtable saves your changes automatically, so you don't need to worry about a Save button. To confirm everything worked, check the Views list in the left sidebar. You should see your new name displayed there. One thing to keep in mind: renaming a view does not affect the records or data in your table. It only changes the label for that view's filter, sort, or grouping settings. So feel free to rename views as often as you need to keep your workspace clear. Also, if this view is frequently used by your team, it's a good practice to let them know about the name change so no one gets confused. And that's it. You've successfully renamed a view in Airtable. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.